So, did you know that not being organized on the job site could cause you to lose money? And right now, I'm getting my file box organized, getting a couple things out of it, repositioning things how I want it to make it more accessible. Um, and I'm also doing that to my truck too. So I've been up this morning trying to get a few things lined out, and I realize, especially being out here, how a lot of companies I have worked for and tried to help, they'll pull up to a job site. A lot of times they have to leave 4 or 5 times, or somebody didn't bring something. Now they got to wait on somebody else, or they got to wait on this because a lot of times they even don't be prepared or they don't be organized. Or you got to find the tools you need without having everything in its place. Having to look for it every time, like you waste so much time, and that's how it can cause you to lose money. Because if you're not organized, if you're not prepared, you can lose money pulling up. I like to, if I know I'm doing this job, blase, blase, the day before or a few days before, I'm gonna get everything lined out. So that way, when I get ready to pull up, I'm gonna have everything I need for that job. You know what I mean? And if, 9 times out of 10, we've been doing this for a while, we was like, well, you know what? I need to do this or I need to do that, and we'll do it. You know what I mean? Maybe bring an extra part or two or extra tool, you know what I mean, for just in case. But on a wide scale, I feel like just coming prepared and being organized, man, could really help. And that's what, my welding skills, me having them and having them lined out the way I do, because you can pull up and you can be organized. You got everything together. All you have to do is plug in, and go. You know what I mean? And that's what makes it a big asset too. So, I like the fact that I built a tool to help me stay organized, help me stay mobile. I can be able to make money whatever city I go, wherever town, whatever state, So I think that is good to stay organized, because being organized helps you, not waste money, not lose money. So keep that in mind, man. Proper preparation prevents poor performance, but staying organized will help you get a bigger bag. Hold on.